In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 lazy ways to make money online while you sleep. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, my name is Miriam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I drop 3 videos every week. Yeah, so make it a day to join your girl right here on this channel. Please ignore the noise in my background. There's a party going on here. I mean, I have no control over and I can't ask people not to speak at their party. So yes, please bear with me in today's video. So guys, without further ado, come with me. Let's go. Let's make money together. You know, on this channel, I always say something. Money is actually everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, trust me, you will never be broke again. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 6 lazy ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. Guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, today we are diving headfirst into the world of lazy passive ways to make money, where you can actually boost your bank accounts with minimal effort. So say right now, say goodbye to being broke and hello to financial freedom. so if you're ready to discover the art of making money the relaxed way, guys, you're in the right place. Make sure that you push that subscribe button in case you have not, and let's get started on this journey. Make sure that you introduce yourselves as well in the comment. Let me know your name and where you're watching from. Yeah, so I want to know you guys. Like I said, I'm building a community right here on this channel because I want to know you guys. I want to have a rapport. I want to have a relationship. I want to build a relationship, a real friendship relationship with you guys. So guys, come with me. Let's go. One way to actually make money without doing anything is by voicing your opinion and making money from it. I'm telling you. So would you like to earn money just by giving your opinion? Yeah, so guys, companies will pay you for informing them how well their product works. This way, improvements can actually be made to make their products better. And most of these actually involves market research. So all you need to do is to give a detailed review or do a survey. It can last for like 5 minutes to 20 minutes to answer each question, and you can earn up to $50 or more for each review. I'm telling you. So how many reviews can you do in a day? If you can do 10 reviews in a day, that's $500. Do it and thank me later. Yes. So if you need the website to actually do all these reviews, to conduct all of these reviews, let me know in the comments. Oh yes, leave it in the comments. I'll put the link, yes, to the survey sites right here. Yes, check out this video right here for all the links to the survey sites. Yes, guess what? Another way to actually make money by doing nothing, lazy ways to make money, is to teach kids to read. Yeah, so if you enjoy reading immensely, if you enjoy reading and you would love to teach kids how to do it, you can read books to kids on a platform called OutSchool. Yeah, so OutSchool is a platform that provides quality resources and educational tools to children online. It covers various topics for kids to learn, and you can choose what to teach. OutSchool is the perfect opportunity for moms who have teaching experience to earn money just by helping children to read. So if you have never been trained or you don't even have a degree, that's fine. Guess what? You can actually there's a way you can also make money without having a degree. It is by doing voiceovers. Yes, so would you like to try one of these low stress jobs that actually pay well? Voiceover is a flexible freelance job for moms, for everyone actually. And no, you don't have to be an actual actress or actor to start out, but having a great sounding voice is very key. Another thing you should have is a home studio, so that you can get your recordings done properly and avoid noise. To land a job, you will need to audition or provide a sample of your portfolio, and this way the companies can actually have a feel of your voice, and you can get paid to record your voice by reading books for Voice 123, ACX, Bunny Studio, doing voiceovers for clients on Fiverr, Upwork, Remote Co. Yes, you can try all these websites and thank me later. Another way to actually make money from the comfort of your home without doing anything is drop shipping. Yes. So guys, drop shipping is another fantastic way to earn passive income. With drop shipping, you set up an online store and partner with suppliers who handle margin on the sale. Yeah, so the best part is you don't need to hold any form of inventory or worry about shipping logistics. Just market your store and let the suppliers do the rest. Another way to make money is peer-to-peer lending. Yes, you can do peer-to-peer lending. So actually, there are platforms that offer an opportunity to earn passive income by lending money to individuals or small businesses. businesses. By acting as the lender, you earn interest on the loans that you provide. Yes, these online platforms actually facilitates the lending process and handle borrower screening, and this makes it a relatively hands-off way to generate passive income from your investments. Yes, so another way to make money from the comfort of your home is to create an online course. Yes, so if you have expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be a profitable source of passive income. Yes, platforms like Udemy and Teachable allows you to create and market your courses to a global audience. And once you have created the course material, it can be accessed and purchased by students at any time. And this provides you with a passive income stream. Guys, you can actually make money from the comfort of your home and even while you sleep. In essence, generating passive income online while you sleep is within your reach. So some of these methods may require some initial effort and setup, and they can ultimately provide you with financial freedom and the ability to earn money on autopilot. So why don't you start exploring these lazy ways to make money online today? Hey guys, I hope with these few points of mine I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can actually earn money from the comfort of your home without having a traditional job. Yes, so, and I hope these ideas have actually sparked up your creative juices and helped you to think of other strategies even outside of here, other creative ways to make money legitimately. You know, on this channel it's all about how to make money legitimately. We're not here for, we don't do anything illegal on this channel, please. Maybe you should check another channel if you're looking for any illegal way to make money, but on this channel we're here to make money legally. Yes, and I hope that I've been able to inspire you one way or the other to start a side hustle somewhere from the comfort of your home. Start today. Yes, don't even wait. Start now, not right now, but not just now, but right now. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about these amazing opportunities, and of course I will see you in my next video. If anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. And oh yeah, one other thing I want to say is this: feel free to ask questions on this channel. I'm here to work for you guys. If you have if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to do all those researches for you guys. All right guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves and keep winning and keep sparkling. I will see you guys in my next video. Please bear with me with all the noise I have in my background today. It will not happen again. I will try my best to make sure it doesn't happen again. All right guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourselves and bye for now. God bless you.